Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your code on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your code on Remitly, firstly go ahead and open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Tap on Manage option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on Redeem Offer option. Enter the code in the given text field and tap on Apply Offer. This is how you can redeem code on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.